In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar. This will ensure that any changes you make in one platform automatically reflect in the other, boosting your productivity and keeping everything organized without duplicate updates. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Sync website. On the homepage, click Go to Application to open the dashboard. This is where we'll build the automation that links Notion with Google Calendar, so everything stays in step. Once you're in the app, click New Automation to begin the setup that connects the two services. The first prompt will ask you to add a calendar connection. Click Add Calendar Connection, choose the Google account tied to your calendar, and sign in securely. Follow the on-screen prompts and then click Continue. As a quick tip, confirm you're signed into the correct Google account in your browser so you don't link the wrong calendar. Next, choose the type of items you want to sync. Pick events and tasks so both scheduled items and to-dos stay aligned across tools. Click Continue. For sync direction, select Two-Way Sync. That means edits, additions, and deletions in either Notion or Google Calendar flow both ways, keeping everything consistent. Think of it as a single source of truth shared by two apps. When you move a meeting, update a title, or check off a task, the change mirrors automatically. You'll now see required fields for the automation. Fill in the details the app requests, such as the specific calendar you want to use and any sync conditions that fit your preferences. If you manage multiple calendars, choose the one you actually use day to day. Pay attention to time zones and default reminders so events behave the way you expect. When you're done, click Continue and proceed through the remaining setup screens, confirming each section as you go. Before going live, you'll see an option to run a test. A quick test is recommended because it validates the connection and helps you catch any mismatches before your real data starts syncing. If something looks off in the preview, review your selections and try again. If you're confident, you can also skip this step. To finish, choose the subscription plan that fits your needs and click Start Automation. Give it a moment, especially if you have lots of events, and your Notion and Google Calendar will be synced. From now on, updates on either side will reflect in the other, helping you manage your schedule more efficiently. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.